Hey, welcome back guys. I got a different topic today. I got this Diablosport Predator. It does make a difference. It has adjustments. If you put bigger wheels, you can adjust for that. You can adjust your idle if you want, your spark advance. You can check for fault code, and there's some tuning maps. I use them and they do make a difference. But however, I think you will see the most difference if you have ready headers, exhaust, you know, cold air intake, and then you put this papi chulo. It's really gonna unleash the beast. All right guys, let's see what we got in here. Let's open it up. And this is good for 98 to 2014 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2500, but it's for gas only. It says right here. Okay, let's open up this buchalanga here. Thank you for your purchase. It's not required, but they do recommend to do an update. I don't feel like doing it right now. Hopefully we're gonna be good. And this is the update cable. Got some instructions here. That's a good feeling, eh? It's getting too bright out here. Okay, and obviously we have an OBD connector, and everybody should know that goes over here. Turn on your key. Let's press OK to start. Okay, turn ignition on. We did that. This is Dodge Jeep. I don't know why it has the other selections, because on that plastic thingy it said Dodge Ram. I don't know, maybe it's possible to use it on other cars. Well, and it has diesel selections too. Maybe you have to call them and get the software for it, but this comes from the factory, I think, with the software for the gas Dodge Rams. Okay, so I'm gonna select my truck here. Now my truck, it's kind of weird, but because it's a 2002, but the thing is it's a 3rd gen Dodge Ram, and this is for like a 2nd gen. But I don't know, should I go with this one or this one? Because really this would be the same truck, really. Okay, let me try this one. See what we got here. Okay, it says tune vehicle. Turn ignition off. Okay, it's off. Okay. Turn ignition on. Okay, now it has 4 tunes. You can see Diablo 91 tune, that's 91 octane. Tow, an 87 tune, that's 87 octane, and economy. I only care about the 91 and 87. I don't tow usually with a truck, or almost never. And then economy, I don't have a V8 for economies. I'm gonna try the 91, see the difference. That's gonna be the most difference, I think. Okay, here's a warning here. Take note of that, guys. The gas station didn't have 91, they had 93, so I put 93 in it. You want to customize options? Okay, let's see where the customized options. Rev limit, oh la la, look at this, eh? The rev limiter, speed limiter, tire size. I don't want to touch that. I'll leave it whatever it comes with. Okay, install the 91 tune file, yes. Turn ignition off. Ignition on. Turn ignition off again. Oh guys, it's installed. Okay. All right, guys, let's go for a spin. I'm gonna shut the key off and then unplug this to be safe. Oh man, I'm so excited. Let's do this. Turn on the AC. Believe it or not, it works because I fixed it. I know this looks like a big dildo, but it's the best thing I came up with to show the speedometer and the RPM gauge. Dude, it feels beefier. Man, it feels a lot powerful already. Okay, it does feel more powerful, but it's not like, oh my god, what a difference. But it is more powerful. And I heard a little pre-ignition, so that's probably because I had some regular gas in it when I filled it up. Now don't do the mistake and use regular gas in the 91 tune, because you can destroy your engine. Alright guys, 91 tune. Man, it's like I really want to rev it, but the engine starts to ping. So that's why I'm letting go. I'm letting it off. Okay guys, I just installed the 87 octane fuel tune. I want to show you here what else you can do. You can scan for DTCs. That's fault codes if you have any fault codes. And then here info, it gives you the VIN number of your car, stuff like that. If you go to tune, right? If you go here, quick options, you can set your engine idle. So this is the idle 700 RPMs. If you want, you can raise it, lower it. I'm not gonna mess with that though. You can do your spark advance. And then you got vehicle settings. You can compensate if you have like bigger wheels, smaller wheels, and your cluster reads off the speedometer. You can adjust for your tire size right here. So pretty cool features. Let's go test out the 87 tune, see what that does. Okay, I got the 87 tune on. It still feels pretty powerful, and it's not pre-igniting now. If I was to use the 91 map, I would have to run my fuel tank low, use up the gas, and fill it up again with 91 or 93 octane, so it doesn't pre-ignite. And if you do headers and cold air intake and all that stuff, and plus the tuner, that's when you're gonna see the most performance gains. Because right now I'm just doing a tuner, and then I have the stupid stock headers. They're so restrictive. But yeah, the 87 tuner right here still has good torque and power. A lot better than the, well, not a lot better, but it is better than without the tuner at all. Alright broskies, another day, another dollar. Let me see if I can do this right here. Holy shit, it's burning rubber. It definitely does make a difference, and I'm not revving it all the way. I don't want to blow up my transmission or the engine because it has a lot of miles. All I care about is low end torque. All right, broskies, no rain now. Let's see if I can do a good job here. Man, I thought it was gonna blow up for a second. Also, I think my carpet was getting wedged on the pedal and I couldn't squish it all the way down before. Okay, and that's gonna do it for today, guys. Let me know if you want to see more car videos slash Dodge Ram, whatever. So I'm gonna be fixing this truck. I got rear doors, I got the bed, I got one that came from Texas. It's rust free, so I am gonna be doing things to this, and it is a project. I want to make it nice, you know, because to get another truck to replace it, oh man, it's a lot of money, you know. So yeah, let me know if you're interested to see more Dodge Ram videos, or maybe do some car videos every once in a while. And here's the bed I was talking about. It came from Texas. It has this dent here. I'm gonna fix it. There is a few thingies right here, here. I'm gonna fix it. What's really nice about it, it's rust free. Like I said, it came from Texas. There is no rust. You can see in here, this is where they start rusting. And look how nice it is. And they did a coating on it so it doesn't rust on top of it. This is a special coating it has. It's textured. It has some surface rust over here, but that's just because there was no paint. That surface rust, I'm gonna clean it. And I got this pretty cheap because this side is whacked. Damn! It has damage. However, this side I'm gonna replace it. I was lucky because I already purchased this side to change on my existing bed, so I have this piece already in stock. So I'm just gonna take this off here, remove it from the spot welds. See all the spot welds here, boom boom boom. I'm gonna remove it and put the new piece on it. Picked up this hood from the junkyard, $100. So yeah, I got the pieces and it's gonna be a project. But let me know if you guys are interested in something like that, or am I gonna make this video for nothing? And you can see how bad the rust is here, so I'm pretty excited for this project. It's gonna be hard, it's gonna take time, a lot of effort, sweating, swearing, but it's gonna happen eventually. It is a shame how they rust like that. Then the doors, see it's rusting down here. That's why I got 2 new doors. They're in the basement. I have those in the basement. And the hood, got rust here, it's bubbling here, here, here. So that's why I got the hood. That one just has a surface rust on one side. I'm gonna fix that. That's doable. And then I have this. It does a good job. It says Ram. I'm gonna have the link in the description for this thing and the Diablosport, of course. This is a Ram license thingy product, so it's pretty cool. I like it. It does a good job with the sun. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about that video. I'm telling you, if you're interested to see that. I got this truck for $1,000 and little by little I'm fixing it. It's fully loaded. It has leather seats. The dash was cracked. I replaced that, put a new heater core, evap core, fixed the AC, the heat. It had none of those, you know, put that screen on. But this truck is loaded, man. It has all the bells and whistles. You know, it's like, it's got the good stuff in this truck, you know. Cup holder back there. And I like how it has this case for the glasses. Yeah, then I did LED lights, interior lights. This truck is awesome, man. I like it for $1,000, and then I'm fixing it little by little. Got the coins here. These are cool because you can like flop them down and stuff. I don't want to break it now. And then it has a power outlet here, one here, and one here. You're never gonna run out of electricity. Look at this. Bam! Heated seats, dual climate. I got another seat over here, so you can have a driver in the front and 2 passengers, and then another 3 in the back. That's like 6 people comfortable in the truck. It's the Let's Go Brandon edition, FJB. New York police. It came with that. That wasn't me, but I like it and I left it. Sport. And check this out, guys. Even the pedals, it has a switch here where you can adjust the height. Look, see the pedals moving? Pedals. You adjust the height of the pedals. I mean, I'm telling you, man, this truck, it has everything. It's loaded. Dodge Ram e la Telemundo. This thing is massive, man. It has the step thingy, so you can step here, get up here and work. 5.9 liter V8, my new AC compressor, new lines. Look at that. This puppy was working, you can tell. See that water condensation? Look at that. See that? That means the AC is working. But yeah, let me know, guys, huh? Optimal battery. New radiator, condenser. Man, this truck is gonna be badass when I'm done. So yeah, let me know, guys, if you're interested in that video. See you in the next one.